The MidEast Aviation Academy was established in the year 2000, when it laid its pillars in the city of traditions and history. The city of cultures in Philadelphia, Amman, the Hashemite Amman. It announced since then the takeoff of the first flight for the youth, making their dreams come true. Since the Academy has taken upon itself the responsibility of training the youth, looking forward to work in the field of aviation, to show their capabilities through the training of pilots and technicians, its technical and academic teams have set their goal to giving their students the highest quality of education in the field of aviation. This comes through providing aviation and airplane maintenance study programs. The Academy gives its students the basic skills, turning them into contenders in the labor market. It also gives them the supportive technical sciences that help them pass interviews, as well as practical applications and technical exams set by the Jordanian Civil Aviation Regulatory Commission. In addition to the fact that the Middle East Aviation Academy has a good reputation in the world of civic aviation training on the regional level, it also gives its students the assets they need to work in the field of civil aviation. Through its huge fleet that consists of aircraft such as single-engine Piper Archer III and Piper 28 Warrior Glass Cockpit, multi-engine Piper 44 Seminole, in addition to the single-engine aircrafts Sama CH-2000. Upon the directives of His Majesty King Abdullah II, the Academy is seeking to cope with development and modernism, as well as meeting the needs of Jordanian and Arab students who are willing to join the Academy, as they are looking for a promising future. As a part of its keenness to cope with everything new in the field of aviation training, as well as training of aircraft technicians, the Academy boosted its training devices with a French-made flight simulator training called the ALSEM AL200. In addition to the French-made simulator flight device ALSEM ALX, that is used in later stages within the commercial aviation education program that enables students to fly jet planes of aviation companies such as the Airbus and Boeing. The core of the training is on how to actively deal with the team members inside the plane's cockpit, as well as learning the skills needed to produce professional pilots. All educational syllabuses are licensed by the Jordanian Civil Aviation Regulatory Commission, JCARC, as well as the European Aviation Safety Agency, also known as EASA. The MidEast Aviation Academy affiliated with European aviation colleges to train pilots in all specifications, rehabilitating them to obtain certificates from JCARC that is internationally recognized, since Jordan is an active member in the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO. It is well known that the Academy is also recognized by most Arab aviation commissions and is also accredited by major aviation airlines, such as the Royal Jordanian Airlines, Gulf Air, NAS Aviation, as well as Yemeni, Libyan, Saudi, and Iraqi airlines. The flying courses conducted by the MidEast Aviation Academy are Private Pilot License (PPL), ATPL Integrated Course, Flight Instructor (FI), Instrument Rating Instructor (IRI), Multi-Crew Cooperation Course (MCC), ATPL Theoretical Course, Flight Dispatcher Course. Refresher courses. The MidEast Aviation Academy Engineering College qualifies the students in the field of airplanes maintenance in a variety of specialties like airframe and power plant, in addition to avionics courses. After the completion of the training curriculums approved by the JCARC, The MAA prepares the students for the JCARC exams to earn their licenses and become qualified technicians in the field of airframe and power plant maintenance. The MidEast Aviation Academy has adopted the European system that is much more flexible and modern, and it copes with technological developments, giving it the opportunity to accept all students willing to learn the various aviation sciences from all over the world. The MidEast Aviation Academy of Aeronautics signed partnership agreements with the European academies and was able to get the approval of the civil aviation regulatory bodies in these countries to implement joint programs to enable students in the MAA to acquire their European flight license, in addition to their Jordanian license, and provide them with training programs for type rating on the jets they want to fly and work on. And provide them with line training to 500 flight hours with international airline companies, whom will be offering employment for pilots who will pass these companies' line training programs successfully. The MAA European Mutual Programs include several options. First, EASA license. Second, license conversion to EASA license program. Third, EASA license ATP modular program. Fourth, the Academy is also working in coordination with European academies to develop other programs in which the MAA will train part of the flight training programs in addition to the academic program. After qualifying some of its instructors with EASA authorizations, the MidEast Aviation Academy, a brighter future and brighter life for all of you. The MidEast Aviation Academy, fly with us above the horizon.